Запаси на літо зроблені.
Ну ты жаден сегодня, пацан, да?
Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news and our news is about a fox which makes a big sandwich. A person filmed a video of a wild fox taking bread and meat from people and is sucking it into a sandwich. This happened in the Chernobyl disaster zone. The clip, which people have viewed more than 1 million times, was filmed by Radio Free Europe journalists on a trip. In the video, you can see the fox stacking the filling between the bread into a big sandwich that can barely fit in its mouth, while it shows no fear of the humans. The Chernobyl nuclear plant exploded in 1986, and Russia established a 20-mile zone around it. This is the end of our news for today. Happy study and see you in our next video. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. Bye.